Ebusian for my mom, Aquaba and found Bragana Sam TVGH, Messer like, comment, subscribe. Turn your notifications so that anytime you post a video with Seria,
we wash our hands. The Honorable Head of the Budget Committee, Mr. Speaker, I have all his contributions. Today, Honorable Ampim, you are supporting imposition of levies. Mr. Speaker, they've been caught by their own words. You came into office, all you know is rather to burden the ordinary Ghanaian with taxes and levies. And when we speak as minority, you use state institutions, Yoko, to threaten the minority. Yes, that's what you do. That is what you do. You harass our people. You want to do them shut up. We will not shut up today. We will not shut up tomorrow. Much as we are not against accountability, we are against the oppression. You cannot use this to stop us. You are bringing a bill in the night to impose levies. And when we speak, the next man you threaten with arrest, and you call for bail. That go and bring property before bail. When you were in opposition, this is not what we did to you. A man of procedure today, remember, will speak from prison. Mr. Speaker, if we don't checkmate you, the majority, this country would move in the wrong direction. Our duty is to stop you from chewing and biting excesses of power. The Constitution is there to control your actions. Today, you see no evil, you hear no evil. When you even see, you can't speak because you are benefited. Mr. Speaker, we are worried, and every Democrat in this chamber must be worried by the actions of government intimidating the minority because we are critics. We've been constructive enough. We don't obstruct you. We tell you the truth. Our members are being intimidated by day. Every now and then, BNI, Iyoko, BNI, Iyoko. Let me tell you, I speak the way I speak because you are taking too much advantage of the power given you. Just because we criticize you. But you are also in office. Mr. Speaker, you are also in office. Our people are going through too much intimidation. You must stop. You must stop. It's all part of your strategy to frustrate the opposition. Remember, we speak from prison. Mr. Speaker, if we don't checkmate you, the majority, this country would move in the wrong direction. Today, you see no evil, you hear no evil. When you even see, you can't speak because you are benefited. You are supporting imposition of levies. Mr. Speaker, they've been caught by their own words. We wash our hands. Is rather to burden the ordinary Ghanaian with taxes and levies. And when we speak as minority, you use state institutions, Yoko, to threaten the minority. Yes, that's what you do. That is what you do. You harass our people.
Yeah, and NPP for Ababontin Abe make a statement.
Masa statement deɛ mahama no ɔte so no no ɔkye so gya aban o kasa ɛsɛsɛ musi krom na mo krom yɛhye aban no krom yɛhye a unse da no mo kye miracle na o mo hwɛ pressure no So who say pressure na na ekọ mo so no obi o patapa bia mpanifo say patapa pie to by force na woro NDC no omo ye patapaafo omo nkamara enti so obi o patapa bia so de patapa ehia na afi ne ho yera no enti se yesi statement ya mahama na ote so no se na mo ka say ode ayi bauxite man ni nuan na agenda ode ba second one enye bibia eyen ejapade a na opese obepe enye bibia because mampanyi mahama baf so pe na Azuma mining omo fa kwambone so jima Ibrahim Mahama as this is asem no e wo a friends a court of arbitration a wo mu dis asem no enti se wo hwe enema ekoso se de NDC for ene baabi a ne yentu galamsey nyame galamsey afọ no na NDC supporters executives ni nyina ehunu se mampanyi Mahama wo opposition a wo ka kire na Akufo-Addo se MPP for ejapade na re ejapade for na ba yi a sei mi gina mampanyi Mahama na num asem so akasa na okukuru oman go didima ni nua no wo hye na chi na ye ne dia no enu nti na NDC executives ni mpanifo no wo mo emfa hwe ho ene galamsey no wo mo ye a wo nzuru obia no enti no obi ahu se mampanyi ni nua fa gold no nti so afa gold di a ene ye nso gold galamsey no ene ye se adwena num kura na hya ye be kwa yi enti say no se Jubilee House kura na gold be pia me say NDC supporters be kwa kutu enti ye be sere MPP mpanimfo ene MPP fo ene mo connection mo wo outside no mo mani nya adwuma because aban ote so no wonyi democracy ntum mampanyi Mahama bi obeka cho so democracy bia wo dada wo no democracy wo gitum ba bia e favor no bi en favor ni bia no wo gitum because wo hwe say 2012 na Akufo-Addo de ne court a idi asem ni wie ya court a firm say o win election no na Akufo-Addo friend no congratulate no ono so de na Akufo-Addo court 2020 ebesi me wanye saade no all the public event mampanyi Mahama wantu na nsi ase enti se wo ye mampanyi na ahoya ani bre ahye na koma mu matwon te se mampanyi Mahama na mesre Awurade Nyankopon se wo man Ghana ye da ho sei o man ne ye ahwe ase because o man wo damage your environment o man no wo hene biem o man ben what damage the environment o man na ye o man biem enne ye te kwayem o man Ghana ye te kwayem ye kotontos e wo desert so edi je ne bedie enti mesre Nyankopon se mampanyina ni suban boni na ahoya ani bre corruption ahye na koma mu ta te se mampanyi Mahama Nyankopon ye sere mema o man Ghana bibiem because I watch the injustice e koso o man mu te se mti Kofi Ofosu nkansa e kan se o mo ton scholarship ye koche no plus ye gina Ghana akase NDC mpanimfo ba ya less than 2 years o ma wie aman sa asisi adan what is ya che ya fere mpo sofo aba bi gina ho no mo akan se wode nse siri kuku di nse siri kwa achi so okum na ntwie 32 e de ma ayi NDC fo e ma wo kwa asi edu nkatua fie na ono kra de wo en de esi ye de onka sofo no kan sa asem ne che wo no ya chi obi wo kan sa asem ne bi na sa nkura system we se nya Ghana na be kwa o man be so na be kwa now say MPP issue statement and mampanyi Mahama wonyi democracy ntum o che soja aban because ni ye na wo ye no e na de ama ni tirima ye ne de e ye 2024 aba MPP fo ankwa nkoto e na ama NDC party say o ma fa Ghana say o ma fo man no say de o mo pe e no mbe ye mu agapade anyi mu yiri nyina na say ba bi a o man Ghana gina o man ni o man biem wa wo finish o man Ghana o man biem no wo dada ho because wo damage your environment ya o man na wo hini biem wo damage your environment ade a makuri etimi ye asase eni ade memetena takwa ukọ takwa no ni ade na kokko ntwibu na agu galamsey ni ba pe within 1 week to 1 month ni nyina tu firi hono mo ene obo ase anka ye nsuo ye BBS eni ya ye quiet ye besere MPP mpanimfo mampa Dr. Mabua say bio papa say wa dwese de gentle je power of Africa dia Dr. wo dada ho Esia 2028 no mampanyi Mahama wo betwa fa so kra easy because ye mfa gentle enye power emfiri Africa leader nsem Africa bien one ma ye di gentry je power free ni nsem nti ye be sesem Dr. Bawumia keka ho wudi a NDC abayi di no Bank of Ghana no ehu Bank of Ghana corruption pa koso ho no no ehu enso Dr. Bawumia wudi ni nyina wuntimi nya din doctor esesa wo kasa because obi enu se wonim de NPP party no mu nipa bonifuo bi adwen boni ahye utirimu ma no mo de ne wo manye sika ayeye no mpese party ni guo no nyankopon wo soro wo hwe wo mo nyame wo hwe wo mo ye wo nkrofo wo manye aye billionaires wo mo abofom na bible say no me nka de wo frɛ papa se boni no frɛ boni se papa mo hye MPP party no mu na adwen boni mutirim sum na adwen papa ba kokora di mutirim de mu benya ne hia mo no nyankopon wo hwe mo Nankente sa NDC such a corrupt, useless and ineptitude government we say. Na mampanyi mahama. Just say what do you compare Dr. Bawumia enye and so na one Dr. Bawumia ku gina ba Ghana for ti ato aba man. If you say MPP party na nkasa no nipa bone fo adwen bone wo mutirim no mo di two party no ase e no mo ne NDC for e na ebo nakrada na nyame oho gemidi twa to amu bi abam sofo osu bempa papa ye kan kyerɛw why you ani potwe sta prekensi na usi Ghana wa dwen se Ghana wo dia MPP na 2024 wunya akwan twi form so nya MPP ye wo sisi ayo wa soro form bi no mo adwena deda ene dura na kwasi ada wo be foro ka betra wa so dem se bitia na nsesem se wo dia wo so wa bena adwena na wa bena ni gina wa so dem na de gu MPP shawo dem na gu MPP party no na emom so ko gina wa so dem na se nkura sesem na wo keka no wa so dem no ye be reply wasa we need to me who se wo to me kuro na wo se kura wo no enye to me papa o nana blemenza obi anim se Ghana nzima the second confirmation of our time wa bene wotimi de second se obi antimi ntu wotimi ko ne nampomu no wo se wo ka emoja hwe egu a ne nipa tie ho na wo kasa wo hanka chi fita ne kura wo no enu